What's the number one question that you have when you're being charged with a crime? Am I going to jail? Our firm's results are proven. We keep 98% of our clients from ever serving one single day in jail.
Hello, I'm Cy Abdo, founder of the firm.
I'm Joey Justice Campbell, partner.
I'm Matt Abdo, partner.
We are Abdo Law.
We fight for you.
We work with you.
A lot of lawyers talk about themselves and how hard they are going to try. We are here to talk about our statistics and results.
Since 2016, Abdo Law has had over 2,000 court appearances.
For first offense DUIs, we keep 96% of our clients out of jail.
Moreover, we know how important it is to keep your record clean. 90% of all of our drug possession cases result in no conviction.
91% of our retail theft cases result in no criminal record.
90% of our misdemeanor assault and domestic violence cases end with no conviction on our clients' records.
Are you being charged with a crime? Are you being investigated? Do you have a warrant for your arrest? Abdo Law has a proven track record of representing our clients charged with serious criminal matters.
Since 2015, we've had over 50 assault cases kicked out of court.
We have successfully kept 93% of our clients facing felony matters from serving a single day in the county jail or state prison.
Also, 91% of our felony cases have been dismissed, deferred, or reduced.
Are you trying to get your license back? We have some of the best results in the industry. We win 91% of our license restoration cases.
Are you being falsely accused of a crime?
Are you trying to avoid jail?
Are you trying to keep your record clean?
Hire experience. We have industry-wide recognition for being the top in the criminal defense field. Other attorneys talk about themselves and how hard they are going to try.
But Abdo Law is here talking about facts. We have proven consistent results.
We have the experience. Over 300 charges dismissed since 2016.
If you have a problem that you think that we can help you with, we're a phone call or a click away, and our consultations are entirely free.
And if you can't come in, no worries. We'll get you signed up on the internet or over the phone.
Other attorneys make you work for them. We work for you.